Do you need a lighting console with a small form factor but no compromises in feature or functionality? Are you working in a small venue, in a house of worship or a small television studio and you need a powerful lighting control? Or do you need a lightweight model which is easy to transport? Then the grandMA3 compact consoles are the right choice for you. Let's have a look if you go for a compact or a compact XT. Sometimes it is about size, especially when you have a console which should fit in a limited space. The grandMA3 Compact XT is 34 inches wide and comes with a weight of 20 kilograms. The grandMA3 Compact console is a little bit smaller and is 26 inches wide and comes with a weight of 16 kilograms. Both compact consoles provide a foldable monitor wing. The grandMA3 Compact XT comes with two huge multi-touch screens for standard or your personalized views. The grandMA3 Compact provides one multi-touch screen and a convenient mount for tablets or paperwork. Both consoles have an additional DisplayPort connector for an external monitor. One of the greatest features of both consoles are the motorized faders and rotary encoders with RGB backlight. But let's have a closer look at the powerful playback section. You can work with 60 physical playbacks, including 15 faders, on a Compact XT console. The grandMA3 Compact provides 40 physical playbacks, including 10 faders. But both consoles provide a master area with two 100mm motorized faders. Also, the command section and the 5 dual encoders for attribute control are exactly the same on both consoles. Keep in mind, both consoles are running the exact same grandMA3 software. So they have the same features and functionality. They are both the smallest devices in the grandMA3 console range, so they control 8,192 parameters directly. And they can be extended to a maximum of 250,000 parameters with the help of grandMA3 processing units. And of course, they are compatible with the rest of the grandMA3 system. While the grandMA3 compact consoles provide a very small form factor, all external connections like MIDI, timecode or DC remotes are directly on board. Now it's your choice to keep it compact. Which compact console is the best for you?